Okay, today we will record the Raspberry Pi installed dongle. First log in with SH. After logging in, I will cut the root. Here we have cut into our Raspberry Pi cm0. We open here because it's a debase system Raspberry Pi. We copy, enter, continue clicking copy. Gray, then continue. Start installation here. Enter. After successful installation, we use the smallest mirror of it here. Test it. If you see it here, it means it was successful. Let's check the version again. You can see that it is 29.01. Our dongle has been successfully installed. Next, we need to install dongle content. Let's open GitHub. Find its address. This multiple comments address, this was posted 2 days ago. We unfold. Attention, here is the structure of our ARM V8. We need to find Linux, then find this architecture, and he can actually see this. We copy this link, DJ address, back to our endpoint. Let's use this code first. Find the link just now. Copy over copy. Pull it to local. Enter. Downloading at this time. After downloading, we give it permission. Test again at this time. Did you see this version come out 5.0.0? Then look again, because you can install Dolphin to install Dolphin. Let's show it synchronously. Doc is 29.com is 5.0. So we've installed both successfully. How much can be installed in the back? Installing Home Assistants and others. For example, MQTT or some other service. That's all for the video.